Massachusetts. Loaded up some pigs. What's that new video about, Brady? Yeah, just hauling pigs and haul some cows to the spa. Now we're hauling some pigs. They're coming to my house tonight. We're gonna feed them, give them some water and some food, and take them up first thing in the morning to the spa. So we're down to Corinna this morning. About killed Bert. Downloaded 5 American Wagyu cows and sorted them, got them loaded, took them to Jeff's, buddy Jeff Tilton's, to weigh them, unloaded them, reloaded them, then took them to Herring's on the spa. Now we're just waiting to see what the hanging weights are. Pretty sure they were like today, so we should have the hanging weights on them. So I have the live weight, hanging weight, and then we'll get the primal weight once they process it all, and that's how we keep track of it and see how we can price our meat. It's kind of hard because we don't buy just boxed beef like everybody else, so we have to do some math, make sure we're not making chicken pot pie. Some people know what that means. So the pigs just came from, well, the guy wouldn't tell me, but it's the Amish in Pennsylvania. It's a guy who's in Massachusetts. He deals with them. Won't let me go there yet. But we met him in Mass. We transported him from his trailer to my trailer, and we're on our way. Hopefully we'll have some footage. We got a camera back there, so we'll see what they're doing. We're going to stop, change the battery, and turn the lights on inside, so we should make some good footage. Up here at what's the name of this place? Springbrook Farm, oldest farm in Massachusetts. I'm meeting Bill Duffy. He's come out of Pennsylvania with a load of pigs. Got 20 pigs on for us, so we're gonna wait half an hour for him to try to turn around. Then we're gonna load some pigs, and Brady here is gonna film it in case something goes wrong or good, something. I don't know. It's gonna be fun. They'll stop pig piling, yeah. Oh, I should have shoveled some of this over. Get that up there. Yes. Oh, wow. What are you doing, Bob? Hey. Out there,